Ankara is the capital city of Turkey and the country's second largest city after Istanbul. Ankara has a symbolic significance for the secular Turks. It is the place where a new era for the Turkish people started. It is a symbol for independence, development, and Western values. Ankara is the administrative center of Turkey and a huge university town, so it has a large population of government workers and university students. Ankara is a sprawling, modern city which can appear as little more than a dull, concrete jungle at first glance. However, Ankara does have a lot to offer for those prepared to look a bit deeper. The hill which overlooks the city is crowned by the ruins of the old castle, which adds to the picturesqueness of the view, but only a few historic structures surrounding the old citadel have survived to our date. There are, however, many finely preserved remains of Hellenistic, Roman, and Byzantine architecture.